Joe, can you read this?
What kind of a language is it?
Come on, Joe. Now read it.
Hey, it's reflection. What's the magic behind this, Bob?
It's not my magic. It's the magic of light.
Don't confuse me. Tell me actually what happened here.
No need to confuse. It is very simple. I'll explain. For this experiment, we arranged a simple setup. A candle, convex mirror, and white cardboard. We can observe this reflection clearly in the dark. So, switch off the lights. Now lighten the candle. Joe, observe the inverted image of this candle on the cardboard.
Wow! Bob, the candle is inverted. How, Bob?
Joe, here each ray of light is reflected by the convex mirror, and the reflector rays diverge from this mirror. The rays move backward and forms laterally inverted image.
Awesome, Bob. That's why I love science.